What's up? Welcome to another video. So I'm on my way to the river to test the board out. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's kind of rattling back there. But I have like a 10 or 15 minute drive to the river. I'm gonna try to get on it and see if I can ride it. Hopefully everything works out, but yeah, let's see. Well, for a moment, something with the drive broke. So I'll have to go all the way back home and make another plan with that part. But at least no water's coming in. Loaded it back up. This was a waste. I should have brought some tools with. That'll teach me, but it barely fits into my car. Like, yeah, and then between the seats, so that's why I don't have any back seats. So I don't know if I'll come back today, but I'll have a look at it, see what went wrong and fix it and come back again. Alright, now test day number 2. Last night I just fixed that little thing, reinforced it a little bit. Hopefully it works out. I'm on my way now to another place. The river was kind of flowing a bit strong, so I don't want to go there today. There's a lake about half an hour's drive from my house. I'm gonna head there and see if this works. Let's see how it does. This place is looking good. You can see summer is on its way and I'm the only person here, so let's get this thing in the water. So basically what happened was this little piece of garden hose I used for the drive shaft just twisted off. So I used these to just connect it. So I got a piece of hydraulic pipe, I just pulled another one, if you can see it over there. Here I'm giving it revs. I can see the little drive shaft turning, but it doesn't want to push the water like before. So now I'll play you a clip of the first and the second time. Even though it worked only for a second or two, it was a lot better than it was here. Yeah, so I was there for about 10 minutes and it didn't work out. So I came home, took it apart again, and I saw this. So this is where it goes into the clutch of the little motor, and then it's stripped out, and I'm not sure when it's stripped out. So it could be right in the beginning, and that's why I didn't want to work at all. The brush cutter came with an axle that goes into there and fits nice and snug, and I didn't want to actually cut that axle. But I think that's the only option I have left. So for now, I put the board up against the wall. I have a lot of other things going on at the moment, so I'll have a look at it again at a later stage. I've been working on this video for a while now. I haven't uploaded in a few weeks because I feel like it's a fail. It doesn't work, so why upload? But a lot of effort went into the video, so I'm gonna upload it anyway. But I think for now I'm gonna stick to car things, and I finally made an appointment for next week to get the car on a dyno and have them map it for me. That's what they call it. So tune the ECU, the computer of the car a little bit to make it run better. But I've driven about 3,000 kilometers with it just like this. Nothing has happened. Hopefully I can make a cool video about that, and I'm pretty excited, pretty nervous, and yes, thank you so much for watching.